Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys want to see how I got this really nice, fun, glowy holiday makeup look, honestly, it didn't even really start off like that, but you know, we're doing the intro last. But I wanted to do something a little bit different, a little bit holiday-esque, holiday friendly. So I came up with this look right here. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got it, then stay tuned. Hit the like button if you did like this video, and enjoy basically. I already have my base makeup on just to save time. If you are interested in my base makeup, I do have a video already here on my channel, so I will link it for you guys to check out. So today we are just going to focus on the eyes, the lips, and then just finishing up the rest of the face with highlight, bronzer, blush, and all that stuff. Short, sweet, and simple today. So let's just get started on this makeup look. So I have the Urban Decay Heavy Metals palette, and then I also have this Becca Skin Glow face palette, and I wanted to use them both today because they just screamed wintry holiday season to me. So here is the Becca one. These are brand new, by the way. So here's the Becca one. It looks like this. It has some like nice highlight colors in there. It has this really nice color that can maybe be used as a blush for me. I'm not too sure, but it's really, really, really pretty. And then for the Urban Decay Heavy Metals palette, Heavy Metals, it kind of sounds funny, but it has like these really nice shimmery colors over here on this side, just really nice neutral colors on this side, and then over here on the other side, if I can get it out, okay, and then over here on this side, I'm going to try not to blind you guys with the mirror. Over here on this side, it has just the brighter colors, which I thought looked really, really nice. This icy one down here would be a fun color to do for this look, but I'm not 100% sure what I want to do right now, but I'm really excited to just really finally dip into this because I've had it for a while, but it always scared me because there's no matte shades in here, but I think I might try to use it today. They are not new palettes, but they are new to me, so I'm just gonna play around with it today, have some fun, and just kind of create something nice on my face. I'm feeling very excited today, and I'm feeling very holiday-esque. All right, okay, so let me zoom you guys in a bit. All right, you guys are a little bit closer to my eyes, to my face. Anyways, all right, so let's go. So for this makeup look, I thought I would do something a little bit soft and just almost refreshing, almost glowy, shimmery makeup look. I want it to be that because, you know, when I think of the holiday season, when I think of winter, you know, I think of snow, I think of twinkling lights, I think of just, you know, prettiness. So I kind of want to go for this soft prettiness, if you know what I mean. I know what I mean in my head, but I'm going to go for that today. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go into this Black Radiance True Complexion bronzer kit, well, contour kit. And I'm going to take the color I use to bronze up my face, which is this color right here. And I'm going to take it on a fluffy brush, and I'm going to pop that into my crease and my brow bone. And I'm going to bring the bronzer like all the way into the socket and into this part of my eye right here, and then I'm just gonna kind of blow out the edges just right around here in like circular motions, just so it all blends really nicely. And then if you need to deepen it out a little bit, you always can go back in. You don't have to, but the thing about my hooded eyes is you kind of have to create that depth that you might want. Alright, and I'm going to take a bit of that bronzer as well, and I'm just going to dust it just below on my bottom lash line. Take it on this small, almost tapered crease brush. Alright, and now I'm going to go into the Perception palette, and I'm going to go into the color Revenge. this one right here, and I'm gonna go into the crease and just kind of blend. All right, and now I'm going to cut the crease. I'm going to take a little bit of concealer. This is just the LA Pro Girl concealer on this flat brush. All right, and now I'm going to take the color Maiden, and I'm going to pop that all over the lid, just leaving the outer corner of my eye. And on the outer part of my eye, I'm just going to add the color Rhodey. I'm going to go back into my crease brush and just kind of blend out the crease. Going back into the color Revenge. Alright, I'm going to line my lashes using this liquid liner. Just going to make my eyelashes look thicker. I'm going to curl my lashes. Alright, so because this makeup is supposed to be like a holiday makeup look, I wanted to do something a little bit different. This kind of reminds me of all the other makeup looks that I've done, minus, you know, it just being a little bit more shimmery. So I want to step it up a notch. So I'm going to take this color in the Metals palette called Glam Rock, and I'm actually going to spritz my brush a little bit. And I'm going to pop that into my inner corner. Ooh, okay, so that is really pretty. Do you guys see that? And because I feel like it, I'm just going to kind of take it down just right in there a little bit. I'm going to take this Carbon Black mascara and just pop it on my lashes. I'm not going to do fake lashes. You guys know this. Oh, that looks so pretty. I really like it. Can you guys see that? I think that looks really pretty. Okay, and now that the eyes are done, I'm going to go in and I'm going to bronze up my face using the same color I put in my cheeks. And just bronze up my cheeks. Haven't really been doing like a precise nose snatching. I've just kind of been taking my bronzer and just kind of dusting it on the sides lightly. Alright, and I'm going to take this blush from Tarte called Fiesta and just put a little bit of that on my cheek. Not a lot. And now I'm going to go into this Becca palette. This is going to be my first time using it. Ah, it's so brand new and it's so pretty. And I'm going to use this peachy color as a blush, and I can't tell what it is. Oh, it's called Winter Berry. Okay, so you got some highlighter, you got some blush apparently. So 3 highlighters, 1 bronzer, and a blush. Okay, I don't know if I could use that as a bronzer. I could probably, but I don't know. Maybe I could have. Maybe I could have used it as a bronzer. Let's see how that looks. I don't need to bronze up my face anymore. So I'm going to go into the blush color in the Becca palette, and it's called Winter Berry. I'm going to take some of that, just kind of pop it on my cheek, just right here. This is kind of pretty. I like that. a nice soft pink. There's a oh my gosh, I stabbed it. Ah. Alright, so now we're gonna highlight. Is this one a highlight? Yeah, this is a highlight, and it's called Icicle. Ooh, that is a blinding highlight. Oh my gosh. That's a lot for me, you guys. Let's put some over here. Okay, so here is, oh my gosh. So let me just blend this out because that's a lot. But we are going for something super fun and icy. I'm gonna work that up into my temple up here because we're going for this really nice winter friendly look. So I'm gonna try the one called Blushed Copper. I have no idea how to read the back of these things because this one was Icicle. I think that's one I just used. So now I want to use this one, but apparently this one's a blush. So the one called Rose Quartz, it's like a darker type of highlight. Let's see how that looks on top of Icicle. Yeah, so it's a little bit darker, but it's also not bad. It's really pretty. I'm gonna mix those two together actually. And I'm actually going crazy on highlight today. This is a wintry look, so I want to be shining. Ooh, do you guys see that? Beautiful. Ooh, I am just glistening. So now we're gonna finish off with the lips. I'm thinking something, almost something nude and glossy. Nude and glossy. So I'm gonna use this lip liner by Wet n Wild. Alright, and I'm gonna go in with this lipstick by Shayla times ColourPop, and it is the color Quickie. And I'm just going to pop that in the middle. We need to blend these together. Alright, and I'm gonna go in with this lipstick by Shayla times ColourPop in Neat Freak, and I'm gonna slather that all over my lips. Alright, and I'm gonna wipe this off. I'm gonna wipe off the wand because I seem to have gotten it all over the place. All right, that looks so good. Okay, so I'm gonna go change. I'm gonna put on something a little bit cute, something that reflects this makeup look, and I will be right back. All right, I am back now. So I put on this nice white sweater. If a white sweater does not scream holiday season, I don't know what does. And I also put on some really nice stud earrings, so you know, I came together really nicely. But this is basically the finished look. I think I've outdone myself. You know, I've been trying to challenge myself a little bit here on my channel, and This is a really pretty look. What I'm really excited about is the inner corner. The inner corners to me are so pretty. I would not put something like that in my inner corner. Colors like that kind of scare me. I like to stick to my usual, as you can see with my eyes and with my crease and all that stuff. I like to stick to my usual neutrals and my browns, but the inner corner is what makes this look really come together. And this highlight, so pretty. I really enjoyed filming this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. I want to wish you guys all a happy holiday season. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do that. You are not going to want to miss my next upload. I'm just going to leave that information here. You're not going to want to miss my next upload, I promise you. So thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.